Welcome to the Chat GPT mini-series. In this episode, we will learn how to get Chat GPT to summarize meeting notes. Before we start, unless you learn how to use them properly, most AI tools have limited benefit. You're not just going to punch in a few prompts and have war and peace appear before your eyes. You need to tailor your prompts or input to produce a greater output. Chat GPT can prove to be a capable assistant when it comes to summarizing meeting notes, and then constructing emails that relay the main points that were discussed. Remember, it's a little risky to input confidential information into Chat GPT, and your company may even have a policy that forbids you from doing so. Always check in with your manager or employer first as to whether they consider this appropriate. If they do, you can use this prompt, which can also be found in the video information. Start by having your meeting notes to hand, and head on over to Chat GPT. Input the following prompt from the video info. Ensure you change the relevant parts to suit your needs. This is just an example that I've generated and is fictitious to give you an idea. In this example, I've chosen a disciplinary meeting between HR and an employee. Copy in the prompt and copy your meeting notes underneath, and submit it. Chat GPT will provide you with a summarized meeting notes. However, if you feel the format is inappropriate, you can adjust the prompt further as seen here. You can even change the language format if you so wish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.